Hey, it's Mr. Malte. We are going to look at some cool 2D and 3D shapes, doing a little math lesson that involves technology. So let's get to it. Let's get to engaging students. Open your Chrome browser. Let's get to Classroom. I think at this point, we're probably pretty good at getting to Classroom. I hope you can just scroll down and click on Classroom or go to a new tab and find it in your apps launcher. Whichever way you get to Classroom, that's fine. Go ahead, click on Classroom, get to your class. Get to the assignment called Shapes in Our Classroom or something similar, and hopefully your teacher has put this template into your classroom class. And you open it up. So go ahead and pause, come back to me when you are here and ready to rock. Okay, so we're going to do this two ways. I see lots of shapes on my shelf, lots of cool things, some technology, some robots, and some old VR goggles. So we're going to look at the Shapes tool right here. We're gonna do it two ways. We can draw shapes, but we'll start with just the shapes that exist here. So I'm gonna click on the circle and square and go to Shapes. And I'm just gonna grab, I see some squares or rectangles, and you see it becomes a cross here. Escape, I'm gonna do that one more time. So up here, look for Shapes. Go down a little bit and go over carefully. And now I see a rectangle here. So what you need to do is take that crosshair and two hands, click and drag to stretch the shape. So stretch down, and I'm gonna cover that up. Boop, just like that. And I could do more than one right now. Whoops. Boop. See another square, kind of right there, dragging it down. Boop. Cool. Now I can't really see what's behind it. So go ahead and do that. And I'm going to show you how to make it sort of transparent. So grab your toolbar, your tools, your shapes tool, and find some shapes in here. Maybe I found a little sphere down here. And when it's too big, Control Alt J makes it smaller, and Control Alt K makes it bigger. I got a circle there. And I kind of want to see what's behind it. So get some shapes on your screen. That'll take you a little while. Give me a pause, and I'll see you when you have some shapes. And I'll show you how to make them transparent. Ready? Okay. I'm going to click on that shape. And I'm going to go to the paint can. And I'm going to choose a purple color. I don't really care for this project what color you choose. Now that it's purple, I like it, but I'm going to go into Custom. And you see what's down here. This is a transparency all the way from totally transparent to just sort of transparent. So if I go down halfway, see, I can still see that I have a shape there, but now it's semi-transparent. And you can decide kind of where you want that to live. So under colors, instead of a solid color, custom. And you can pick how transparent you want it to be. It's like some cool sunglasses there. I love it. Now, one thing, you could also do the border. If you want to change the border to be something a little bit thicker. Oh, that's too thick. Come on now. Oh my gosh, I did the whole edge of the picture. Different shapes. That's probably reasonable. So the little lines there, that's your thickness. Don't go crazy. And then when you see the pencil, that's the color of your border, and that's the color of the fill. So there you go. Try practicing that. I'll give you another tip in a sec. So you ready for a pro tip? There is an awesome button right here, and this might be hard for some of you, so if you learned it that way and you're good with that, good on you. But if you want to learn a little ninja trick, if you click on this paint format tool once, that's going to paint the next shape, and then it's going to disappear. So that's pretty awesome. You just click on that, boop, and then you can click on the shape, and it'll take on the same formatting exactly as the shape that you have. So it's a quick way to change all those things really easily. Last thing, this is only for super ninjas who want a little bit of a challenge, and that is we're going to draw some shapes ourselves. So if I have this little line here, this one is called Polyline. And this will allow me to click and move and click and move and click and move and click and see how it pops back. Boop. And if I don't like exactly where it is, I can click twice and move those little lines. This is challenging, but if you see some shapes that are not regular shapes, you can try doing that. Try getting one of those polyline tools. So that's right here. So one more time with the polyline tool where you're drawing your own unique shapes. Let's see what I have here. I don't know if I see any more unusual ones. Maybe I'll just go in and get this rectangle. Click. 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 And back. It's a little bit harder. Just another thing to learn. Try using, remember to use two hands to do that. I'll grab my paint, grab my tool, my paint format, and pa-choom, and pa-choom. There we go. Okay, good luck. Remember, the simplest is just grabbing shapes and just moving them over top and making them a little bit transparent. So good luck with that, finding those shapes. It's like a little scavenger hunt. It's kind of fun. Okay, take care.